as a children, with the CPAP, with the face mask, can change the structure of the molecular blood, and so for adults, and also after that, we have sometimes we have the air in the stomach, and so we feel the pressure, and especially skin injury, we know it's very good. And after that, we check the yield of margin area when at the beginning 1 time a month, after that 3 times a month, no 3 months 1 time, but every 3 months and after 6 months, and the insurance system confirm that. And at recommended by AASM, American Academy of Sleep Medicine, the patient should at least 4 hours per night and 5 days per week. It means that 70% of the time, the night, we see that, and after that we have the software to check out. We can check all the time of CPAP using, and also the pressure, and also we can learn about the AHI with CPAP treatment, and we can quickly not mobilize patient after treatment with CPAP. Sometimes for patients with heart disease, heart failure, or for COPD patient, we do the titration. It is the titration system. For the machine, it's the same machine, but we can check